All right, Model Rocks 321 here. I received a package today at the P.O. Box. If you check the link below, the P.O. Box is down there. So this was a gift sent to me by someone by the name of Joe. They are a subscriber. And he wrote, "Hi Keith, I used to work at Southern California Aerospace Company, retired now." He said that manufactured components for the Space Shuttle solid rocket boosters. When the guys from ATK would come around, they would hand out stickers from upcoming shuttle launches. I collected a lot over the years. The stickers are copies of the mission patches worn on the flight crews and have the names of the crew on them. The mission details are on the back. Found them while cleaning out a closet and thought you may be interested in having them. I am. Thank you. Appreciate it, Joe. He said, I used to fly Estes rockets back in the 1960s, the Skyhook being my first. Skyhook, wow. Other rockets I had were the Big Bertha, X-Ray, Farside, Apogee 2, Streak, and a lot of original designs. We flew them at Lucerne Dry. Is it Lucerne? Lucerne Dry Lake. I have to look that place up. He said, came upon your channel, which brought back a lot of teenage memories of flying, chasing, and losing many rockets. Keep up the good work. I'm subscribed and look forward to your videos. Joe, I appreciate this. This is cool. We're going to take a look at what you sent right here. I already saw, but appreciate you. And, you know, I'm late getting to the box. I got to get over there more often. There was a bunch of other stuff in the main box, and this was like a package, so I had to go and get it. But appreciate you a lot. And also, guys, the P.O. Box is in the link below if you want to, send something. I don't know. Rock 321. Let's take a look at this. So these are mission stickers, mission patch stickers. So we'll take a look. Check this out. This is cool. Nice and shiny, glossy, kind of like a vinyl material. Look at that. I guess it says SA. I'm not sure what that SA is. I know they're usually STS. I have to look that up. But anyway, we got Lindsay, Hoball, Riley, Cavandy, and Gerenhart. Cool. STS 133, Jew, Copra, Lindsay, Bo, Barrett, and Stott. Wow, this is way back. Check this out. This is cool. And these are some nice stickers. Yeah, as he said on the back, it has some more words on the back about the missions. This is cool. I appreciate this a lot. So there's two of these kind right here. So we'll go like that and like that. Next up we have Collins, Kelly, Kamadra, and Lawrence. Noguchi, Robinson, and Thomas. Another mission. Real cool. I'm trying to see a year. This was Columbia. Yeah. STS 114. Yeah, I think I've seen that. That looks very familiar. I guess they use that for Columbia. I see the stars there. So cool. All right, here we go. STS 106. These names are going to start getting harder as we get into. I get there. We're doing a lot of collaborations with some of the European countries and the Russians and different people. So I'm going to leave that to the side. What else we got here? With STS 106, International Space Station, yeah. Components, newest components. Yeah, this is cool. This is with the Russian missile. I just took a guess. I saw that and I saw some of these names. Yeah, Morukov. Was it Morukov? So cool. So here's another one. Mission number, STS 88. It's on the back. Let me go back to this other one that said 7A. Let me see what that was all about. All right, so 7A. All right, so STS 104. That's what it was, STS 104. So this is a lot of missions here. So get back on track. So this is STS 88. Here we go. We got Vaz, Harris, Weatherby, Collins, Foyle, and Tintov. Another Russian mission, as I can see the space station right there. STS 63. Man, these are way back, early missions. All right, and this is a nice one. You don't see this that much. Rarely see a patch like this. So we got Ramagan, Husband, Payet, Takabeb. I'm butchering these. Okawo, Barry. This is STS 96. Here's another one. What is this? STS 94. I'm gonna stop with the names officially now, unless I see some really easy American names. Wow, this one's actually in foreign writing. Nah, it's not foreign writing. It's just part of it looks like it, huh? Unless it's just bad. Yeah, some of it like it maybe or just worn off. No mission, no patch. I'm trying to see what mission it was. No, I don't see a mission number. Oh, STS 37. It says STS 37. Oh, this is cool right here with the ship Endeavor. That's nice. STS-49. First flight of the Endeavour. It's STS-49. That's what it says. First flight of Endeavour, STS-49. Look like either the writing got kind of worn off in a weird way. It made it look foreign, but STS-47, first flight of Endeavour. That's cool. All right, here we have STS-80. So I'm going to put all these in order, and then that'll be good. Now, that's a nice patch right there. That's nice. That's cool looking. STS-115. What do we have here? How's this one go? I think it goes like this. Yeah, nice. STS, that 80. Oh, the words are kind of either 39 or 89. It's kind of worn off. It has like a weird wear where it almost look like a foreign language. But that's cool patch. This is a big one. It says 119, so STS 119. Oh, that's nice. I like how they did this little die cut off the edge, like it flew off the American flag. It's nice. Nice patch, nice design. Nice. STS 119. I like this. I tell you, I'm gonna go back and check all that out. But yeah, here's another nice. And the old school ones are nice, man. I really like these. STS 106 6A patch. All right, I guess they have another patch design. It says 6A complex robotics. Okay, I can see what they're talking about. That's cool. Cool. All right, what we have here? STS 113. Weatherby, man. I'm saying that name a lot, man. He flew a lot of missions. So it's doubles of this one. All right, here we go again. We got nice patch. STS 110. That's cool. Cool design right there. STS 110. Oh, got a little writing on there. A little bit of writing on there. STS 110. Pretty nice. This says 9A. STS 112. Nice. Cool. I see they used the eagle again, like the Apollo. Oh, no writing on this one. No writing on this one. I wonder what. I wonder. I'm gonna set this one aside because I'm gonna look this up just to see what patch number it is. All right, 109. STS 109. Hubble telescope. This is the one. STS 109 is the fourth mission to service the Hubble Space Telescope. And if you remember, yeah, Hubble had some issues in the very beginning, so you had to go back to that thing and work on it and do its thing. So this, yeah, the Hubble mission one. See space station here. See Russian writing again. What was this? What number? International Space Station Expedition 6 crew patch. Yeah, don't say it. Don't have a mission number. So I'll put that aside so I can look up and see. International Space Station. This is cool too. Nice design. Nice patch. Expedition 14 patch description. Yeah, this is cool. Apollo 1's mission. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, real cool. That's a nice one. I like the simple. Sometimes I like the old school simple designs like that. That looks cool. As you can see, it's kind of like orbiting around the moon. Kind of cool. Another nice one. Wolf Clancy, Hurley, Pipe. I'm back saying names again. Cassidy, Marshburn, and Copra. Yeah, man. Some of these names, these guys got some missions. Man, they flew a lot. These guys flew a lot. STS 127. Man, some of these names I'm seeing like a few times. All right, here's another Russian collaboration. I see the space station there. Soyuz, yeah, Russian Soyuz vehicle. Okay, Expedition 11. Another nice patch. 9A. I think I saw this one early. SVS 112. I thought I saw this one earlier. Maybe not. I think I did. What we got? Another nice patch. STS 123. What we got here? National Space Station. Yeah, another Russian mission. A lot of collaboration with the Russians at that time. Yeah, they had the space station up there. So they had the International Space Station up. Duffy. Did I see Duffy here? Duffy. Like Mr. James Duffy. STS 92. That's another early one. Wasn't even at 100 missions of space shuttle flying yet. Here's another one. Oh, no, right. Yeah, no. So those ones I'm going to set aside so I can go look it up. I think I may have this one already, or it looks very familiar at least. STS 128. Looks familiar. Yeah. And that's cool. These guys got to fly on the space shuttle. Dangerous missions, man. I always think about the shuttle and how close they were to that fuel tank. It's right there. Right there. Speaking of the shuttle, it's so crazy. I'm working, restoring mine. It's right here. Got my new nose on. The old crash nose is somewhere around here, but I did that mold. I made a cast. Where's the cast? I can't find anything right now. It's always like that. 'Cause I wasn't planning on. Let me see. Yeah, here's the crushed. That's the crushed nose. I made a cast, and I molded my own. I vacuum formed this. I shaped it by hand and worked it in clay. Then I formed it in hard clay, and I made me one. I'm just restoring this whole thing. I'm gonna make it look just like the shuttle. I have the New Day decals. I already pulled off these hinges. I'm gonna just do all the coloring just like the shuttle. Bring it back. It's gonna be nice though. Really nice shuttle. Sorry, to get back to this. Yeah, this is a double. I know I've seen this one already. 114. What we got? Expedition 5. That's what I wonder about this 5. Did I put this one aside? I wonder what mission at International Space Station. So it had to be, yeah, they were right flying up there a few missions. I don't know what number. I'll put this one aside so I can look it up. Well, look at this one. The writing. The writing is hard to read. You can't see. It's 50 or 60. I'll put that aside so I can really find out. I wonder if they use this symbol for Columbia all the time. Let me see. 35. Fish out of orbit. Don't say. STS-35. Man, this is an early mission. Early. Astro 1. Early mission for this one. Yeah. Early mission. Yeah, these are old school, man. Look at these. Like, you don't see it. I think it goes like that. It's Atlas, unless it goes like that. Maybe like that, yeah. Cool. STS-45, another early mission. Under 100, I mean, STS-1 would have been the Columbia. So what we got here, STS-105, that's a low number. Bunch of low numbers. Yeah, cool. So I guess it goes like that. Nice. STS-109, or like that. Yeah, I think it goes like that. Yep, STS-109. I've seen this one already. 104, like that. Nice. 117. Construction of it. This was look. STS-117. It says crew patch symbolized the continued construction of the International Space Station and our ongoing human presence in space. So they were just building this, and you can see, I guess, the yellow could have been done, or the gray could have been done. They were finishing the yellow. However it wants to read, I'm not sure. 117. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Early missions. We're building the space station. STS-120. Nice patch, another nice one. 116. Continues assembly of the International Space Station. Yeah, so these were all the days when they were building. I'm gonna look up some stuff on just some of them building the space station. You don't hear much about it getting built. You hear about it pretty much after it's already done and they're in there. This is cool. Look at this. I never really seen a patch like this. 122. The primary objective of STS-122 mission is to install the outfit of the European Space Agency Columbus laboratories. Yeah, nice. Very cool patch. 112. I've seen 112. I think I have this one. A couple of those already. Yeah, you got some more. STS-41, a real low number. That's low. 38, that's another low number. That's cool. STS-38 patch was designed to represent the pay tribute to all the men and women who contribute to the space shuttle program. Cool. Here's a cool one. Let's see. Hubble. More Hubble stuff. Yep. STS-31. Hubble telescope. So they weren't even, when Hubble Space Telescope went up, they weren't even into the hundreds yet, flying shuttles. They were using that payload bay and that arm. So that's the end of the mission patches, and then we have these. You all know what these are called. Spaghetti and meatballs. You got some meatball logos right here. So cool. But just wanted to show you guys that. It's a cool little surprise I found in the P.O. box. So appreciate you, Joe, for watching and subscribing to the channel. This is greatly appreciated, man. Appreciate it. And you did some great stuff. You said you worked on the solid rocket boosters, man. That's some good work. That was that whole, what was it, Thiokol? That them? They Morton Thiokol, that company. Yeah, they made the solid rocket boosters. If that's who were doing part of the components at least, or the whole things. But yeah, all right, guys, it's Model Rock 321. Be sure to check back. Got some more stuff coming. Gonna get some launches going. Still got to get that so long. I'm still waiting to get a phone call about mine if somebody finds it. But I will be rebuilding. We will revisit that. We'll move further out into the field. I think we can recover in that huge field if we move further out. So that's what's going to take place. Plus some kind of tracker in there. But I think we can recover in that field, personally, because it went high, but that weather cocking is what really what doomed it. Cocking way over there, over them buildings, and way over off into neighborhoods, and yeah, wasn't a good deal. But Model Rock 321 here. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and like I said, if you want to send something cool or whatever, something for me to review, whatever, I don't know. It's up to you. If you want to send $150, whatever. There's the P.O. box. It'll be down on the link below. Check the links below. Use the Estes discount. That's below, and that's on the screen. Subscribe to the channel. It's Model Rocks 3, 2, and 1.